Hi guys, do you want a fuller lips and plumper lips? For my today's video, I'm going to share to you my personal experience on how I do my lips exercises, which the result is having a fuller and plumper lips. So please watch. Place it on your lips for about 3 seconds and then release like this. With your lips on this position. And then the second exercise for our lips to become fuller and plumper, we will be saying like a letter O with exhale. And for the third exercise for our lips, we will be pointing our lips like this and make a big kiss. And then for the fourth exercise, our lips position will be like this. So, if you enjoy my video today and you are new in my channel, please subscribe and like, share my video so that you will be notified on my next beauty upload video. Bye.